Gretchen with Yoga and Herb here with Sei He Ki, how to draw the Usui Reiki symbols. We're going to begin at the top. We're going to make kind of a little lightning thing and we're going to swoop it around. This looks like the number 5 to me. Then you have a line here, and then we're going to do 1 and 2 of these swoopy dudes. This is going to be Sei He Ki. Again, it's the mental and emotional symbol. When you're smudging homes, it works really well on the ceiling and the floor. It works well to rebalance that emotional, give you back that emotional stability. Sei He Ki. If you like these videos and want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you. Until next time, Namaste.